Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like
Hey guys, so in this video we are cooking and we are gonna juice. Y'all like the hair color, but I hope y'all having a wonderful weekend. We are out in the park in Mother Nature, of course. Hey, turn up. Woo, 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 woo. All right, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you to my new followers. Hey, say bye.
Bye.
Hey, let's do this unboxing. We got 3 mangoes. Nova just took out the watermelon. We got bananas, oranges, avocados, cantaloupe, more oranges. I got 10 oranges altogether. We have some, my bestie, she like these raspberries. I got some, I want to make some chicken soup or some broth without the chicken, so I got some celery. I have the rest of the ingredients. This is plums. I have some sweet bread, sweet rolls, some Martins. I know, you too. I got her some Mott's apple juice for school for when she come home. Okay, that's Nova. Thank you. Out the camera. I got her favorite, the party size. You like it? All right.
Tummy.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. Hey, oh man. Ooh, making her dance. Don't mind the mess. Today's laundry day. Okay, I don't have to clean up for y'all. And another banana. I have 6 bunches in total because I never ordered from them, so I thought it was 6 single bananas. When I used to do Instacart, this is more sweet rolls. When I did Instacart, they asked you how much bananas you want, but it was single bananas. And I thought it was single, but it was actual bunches. So I picked 6 because I wanted a whole bunch, but look at this. Yeah, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. She took out another one. Unbelievable. All right, guys, that's my haul. And this was like $52. Whew. God of mercy. Let's recap. I got all of this. Cabbage, watermelon. See? We got a cat. This was grapefruit. Okay, cantaloupe, more cabbage, celery, blackberries, more. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, avocados. What else? And I got mommy something. Yep. And I also ordered something from Whole Foods, and I got her party thing and her apple juice. Yep. So that's it. This is all $54. Yeah. Yep. So just Amazon Fresh. Thank you guys. Y'all did a great job delivering with care. Some carrot juice, guys. We got everything. We got the juicer. We got it all hooked up. And we got the new bottles that I bought because I'm about to do some orders for some people. But this is for me. The orders I do on the table. This is for me. Hey guys, let's juice. So let's talk about this nutrient dense root, carrots. So don't peel your carrots because that's where all of the beta carotene lies. So when you get your stuff, just wash it and, wash it in baking soda or wash it in water and just juice it, or you could cut it up or whatever you want to do. But also it has great antioxidants. It has vitamin A, B6, C, D, E, and K. But A is the most that it has, 119% in your daily value diet. And also it has magnesium, iron, and calcium, which is awesome. Now let's talk about the health benefits of apples. First of all, it's for heart health. It reduces cholesterol, healthier teeth, avoids Alzheimer's, boosts your immune system, and weight control. And also, it's rich in fiber, antioxidants, and has vitamin A, C, calcium, and iron. So listen, y'all better go ahead and get to the juicing. Now let's talk about the benefits of antifungal ginger, because that's what I put in there. Y'all didn't see that little piece? Okay. And also lime. Y'all get ready. I hope y'all have y'all pens and papers and notepads. So ginger is awesome. First of all, it's antifungal, it's medicinal, and studies found that ginger is rich in bioactive compounds and antioxidants that can reduce oxidative damage and provide many positive health benefits for the human body. So hello, and I put some of that lime in it for some electrolytes. All right, but if you want to know, I'll let you know what are the benefits of lime since you asked. Last but not least, lime has magnesium, calcium, vitamin C, zinc, riboflavin, phosphorus, niacin. It also has fiber, and it's also great if you want to put it in your water for electrolytes. So let's not forget, people, let's put some lime, not lemon, that's man-made, in your water bottles or in your glass of water and have it by your bed, because everyone knows that the human body needs to consume fresh, clean water. Let me say that again. In the morning before you brush your teeth and contaminate any organs in your body. All right. So put that lime in your water. All right, guys. Healthy juicing. Happy and healthy juicing. All right. Let's cook some salmon with some Brussels sprouts. Matter of fact, let's cook some teriyaki salmon, yes, with some Brussels sprouts, and they go to Brussels sprouts seasoned, well seasoned, and the salmon is cooked clean with lemon juice. You already know it's already done, okay? And I put my Caribbean green seasoning on there. Yes, I did. And here go the teriyaki sauce, sweet baby rays. I don't use nothing else. Yes, sir. Look at that, amazing. And I did some fried rice on the side. Clean this chicken, some wings, do some barbecue wings and mashed potatoes, and be back. Woo. All right, we're gonna wash this chicken and we're gonna season it. Let's cut up some onions.
I think I was 18 at the time.
Got the gravy, yes. Yep, did that. Look at her. Sleeping Beauty. We're gonna try to play with this, see if it's gonna wake her up. Look at her. Oh, hey, mama.
Mama.
Yep. Got a
Mama.
little toy, Pet Smart toy.
Mommy.
Look at it. So cute.
Mommy.
Let's see.
Let me try a baby.